In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi Note 13 and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then tap on All Services, select Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. If you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. To make them visible, you need at least one, so to fix it, hit this gear at the top right corner. Then you need to make sure that Offer to Save Passwords option is on, log into any app and hit Save in Autofill pop-up. This way, your password will appear over here and you'll be able to add any other one. To do it now, click on this plus next to Search Passwords. Then input all of those informations. At the top, you can type in any website or click on Select App and click on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finished, choose Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!